Some buyers think self-laminating sheets offer one-step double-sided lamination like self-seal pouches and feel disappointed after receiving them. Self-seal laminating pouches use a back structure for one-step double-sided lamination. Self-laminating sheets use a single-sided adhesive layer, but achieve double-sided protection with a double-layer method. First, prepare 2 self-laminating sheets and the document to be protected. For the first sheet, peel off most of the backing liner and leave one alignment edge. Align the edge of the document with the alignment guide and apply the sheet slowly from one side. Press forward gradually to let air escape naturally and help prevent bubbles. Flip the document over. Take the second laminating sheet and remove most of the backing paper again. Align the edge strips on both sides, then apply slowly from one side while allowing air to escape. Remove the edge strips. Trim the excess edges. Complete the double-sided protection. Single or double-side lamination depends on the need. Single-side works for daily use and short-term storage, while double-side suits long-term preservation or higher protection needs. Self-laminating sheets are not self-seal laminating pouches and cannot achieve one-step double-sided lamination. With the correct method, they can still provide double-sided protection.